Want to control exactly how your video looks on screen? In this tutorial, you'll learn how to use the canvas to position, adjust, and preview your video content. Before we start, you can visit VideoGen.io to follow along with the steps. If you're watching on social media, you can find the link in the description. So, what's on the canvas? This is where your video comes to life. So, what is the canvas? The canvas is the main preview area where you can see and edit what appears in your video. This is where you position elements like text, images, and other visuals exactly how you want them to appear. So, how do you use the canvas? To get started, click on any element in your video to select it. Once selected, you'll see controls around the element. You can click and drag it to move it anywhere on the screen and reposition it exactly where you want. If you need to adjust its size, drag the corners to make it bigger or smaller. You can also fine-tune its placement by aligning it with other elements and adjusting the spacing. Take a moment to move things around and see what layout works best for your video. This way, you can easily control how each part of your video looks and make sure everything is placed just right. As you make changes, the canvas updates instantly. You can quickly adjust spacing, alignment, and layout until everything looks just right. The canvas gives you full control to shape how your video looks, quickly and precisely. Sign up and try VideoGen today.